Welcome, little adventurers, to the amazing world of monster trucks. Today, our super friendly monster truck pals are here to play a fun game with us. Are you ready to count from 1 to 10? Let's go! Look, here comes our big red monster truck, and there's the number 1. Can you say 1? One big block. Our red truck loves to play. 1, 2, 3, go. Zoom! Here's our speedy blue monster truck. And look, 2 shiny number 2s. Let's count them together. 1, 2, two blue trucks racing side by side. They are so fast. 1, 2. And here's our sturdy green monster truck. He found 3 bouncy number 3s. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. 3 little robots need help. Our green truck is so kind. 1, 2, 3. Now, all our monster trucks are here, and they see for sparkling number 4s. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. For colorful flags waving in the wind. What a beautiful sight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, look at these 5 little monster trucks. They're driving in a line, making the number 5. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friendly animals are cheering for our trucks. Hello, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count these 6 colorful blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And down they go. What a fun crash. 6 bouncy balls rolling fast. Our monster truck is chasing them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up, up, up go 7 bright balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our monster truck is jumping high to pop them. Pop, pop, pop. 7 yummy cupcakes. They look so sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But our trucks are too busy counting. Twinkle, twinkle, 8 shiny stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our monster truck lights them up. 8 little fireflies dancing around. They light up the night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See 9 beautiful flowers blooming as our truck drives past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So pretty. 9 little ducklings waddling in a row. Our truck watches them go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And finally, 10 happy monster trucks gather round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Honking! Hello! 10 colorful balloons float up from the trucks. What a celebration! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did such a super job counting with our monster truck friends today. Give yourselves a big cheer. Remember, counting is fun and easy. Keep practicing your numbers every day. Thanks for joining our counting adventure. See you next time for more monster truck fun.